Hello everyone, I hope you are well. I'm Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends again taking part to your new video and you must watch to me. And my dear friends, in this video what we are talking I don't know that, but if you are watching to me my dear friends, I hope you can understand something and you must watch to me. If you are a learner, if you belong a village, always we are saying at this talk. And I don't know that how you can improve yourself. If you are thinking that, if you are studying book, if you are think how we can grow of our confident, how we can increase of our English, my dear friends, it is need for you and you must know about yourself, about to you. If you are thinking, if you want to think, if you want to gain well in your life, my dear friends, you have to need and you have to work for yourself. I hope you can speak and you can do well in your life, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are a learner, you can do everything in your life. Make some effort in your life and then behind of them do for you do work for your ambition, what you want to do. And my dear friend, after some time I think that how we can talk of people, how we can increase of our confidence, and how we can speak without hesitation between our people, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are watching to me, I hope you can learn something well here. If you are a learner, if you want to improve yourself, if you think that you belong a village and you are living at your home, how you can, if you want to improve yourself, then you have to think about yourself, I always say to you. And where are you have to considering in your mind how you can do translate lot of us. If you are going at your roof, if you are going in market, if you are going in field, my dear friends, you must think and you have to watch clearly of people, and you have to think in English, my dear friends, how much you will do, as I think that how much quickly you would get to understand and how much you would get speak fluently, my dear friends and my dear brother. If you are a learner, if you think that and you are watching in this room, I am along, we are talking to you and you are watching to me at my YouTube channel, I think that what is around with me, I am in a room and we are speaking something and you are watching to me, and in this room what is you are watching लिविंग टू मी, मुझे छोड़कर आप और क्या क्या देख रहे हैं, व्हाट आर यू वाचिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड्स. वॉल, विंडो, नॉट हियर, अलमारी, अलमीरा in talk in English, my dear friends, and chair front which I have set, and some books around with me. So but in this video you are not watching, only we are getting speak copy yani ki book. My dear friends, my dear brother, if you are a learner, you have to think, you have to do practice lot of us, and you must know that at this talk how much you will do practice, how much you would think, my dear friends, in English you can gain well in your life, my dear friends. You have to know that at this talk not everyone know that everything in his life, but they are learning 1 year, 2 year and 3 year, they are giving time, and one day he will succeed in his life, my dear friends, my dear brother and sister. If you are doing something for your ambition for your ambition, you must do, and I hope you will succeed in your life, and you have to need to know about yourself. Nowadays we are not making video, but after some days we are thinking what topic we would get speak and how we get speak in my video, I don't know that, but taking I have come and you must watch to me, I hope you can well.